This is a follow-up to my last video. I picked this silly table thing up at work. They were throwing it out. It's made to go over like I believe a hospital bed. It was part of a nursing classroom. This part of the mechanism, something cable broke. I couldn't quite figure out what the mechanism was or how long the cables had to be. So I ended up just making this a little bit simpler mechanism. After a few tries, I mismeasured a couple times up here, so there's a couple extra holes. I ended up I tried a drill press, but it wasn't able to get through here, so I just ended up using that to make the one hole, and then I just used a regular power drill to make the rest of them. I didn't know what size bolt or anything I'd use, so I just made a hole with a bit I had handy that was pretty big, and I think it'd be big enough and strong enough. And just made this hole like a couple inches up from the bottom. I kind of measured, set this so that this hole is a good height for me to work on. And I went 2 inches off that down to the bottom. And it just changed. I can take this bolt out, at least that's what I have right now. I could put a nut on it too if I wanted, if I had a nut for that, or get a different bolt or one with a handle. But that's a decent working height for me, so I can, at least, I'm not sure what I'll use it for. I might take it to work, actually use it for, like, put a laptop on and work on networking stuff. Or I might use it here, and this is still a decent, kind of a nice height to work on some things at. That's pretty much it. The exercise for going through all the way through with the holes and just put a bolt through it, and that locks it up and down. It only moves a little bit now up and down until I take that bolt out of there. It's got some nice casters. Wheel it around.